Hi, welcome to my channel. This video will teach you how to connect this Java project into your database. For example, you are using MySQL or Oracle or PostgreSQL, so you can run this project with your database. So, for example, if we click this video, then it proceed like this. Then this is you can see the link of the project in the description. Just click show more, then click this link from Google Drive. Here I have a very poor internet connection, so sorry for that. Then click this one, then click this download. Okay, so let's assume that we are done in downloading this project. Then proceed to download. So this is SIS project or downloaded file. It's already zip. Then if you are using Microsoft, then for example you want to extract here, so this is the extracted file from this zip file. So this is the project. Then open your NetBeans, then open project, for example SIS. Then for example this is the download folder, then SIS, then click this SIS project. Then if you are using MySQL, so you don't have to worry about this connection, this driver MySQL connector, because it already added in the libraries and also the G calendar. But if you are using Oracle or Postgres, so you can proceed to Maven repositories, okay, to download the Oracle JDBC driver. So here, so in this website you can search Oracle. Okay, so enter. Then this is the Oracle JDBC 8. This is the driver. Then it can run to JDK 8 to JDK 15. So click this one, 2 or 2. Then JDBC 8. Click that one. Then after you click that one, this is we need to download the latest, which is updated from January 2021. So click this one. Then click this jar file, okay, to download the jar file Oracle JDBC 8. So it is downloaded here. Okay, show folder. So this is the downloaded folder, so keep. The internet connection is going fast, so it's going good. So we are done. Then for example we add the jar file here. Jar file, add your jar file, go to download, then find the Oracle JDBC here, or this is also the same with this one. Then open. Then we added Oracle JDBC 8, so the latest version of Oracle JDBC. So for example we try to run this project. So for example admin, then the password is admin143. Then copy this one, then paste here, then log in. Then there's an error here because we don't have yet added SIS database, so unknown. So this is the error. This is my mistake about this project. Supposed to be there is no the error is unknown database SIS. So but we need to proceed. For example, okay, so we need to add the SIS database. So let's open. If you have DBMS tools, if you are using MySQL, so you can use MySQL, okay, workbench. Then this is the tools. Then click this local instance. Then this is the query of the workbench. Then proceed to download SIS, which is this project. Then this SIS, click, then drag and drop to the query. Then this is the query. Then okay, so this is not yet this is not unnecessary if you are using MySQL, so let's delete that one. Then let's Control A, highlighted, selected, then run this queries. Then here in our task pane here, so let's refresh. We have SIS, that SIS bold fonts font size is, that means that is selected database. So okay, this is user, then select rows. Okay, this is the selected this is the user, this is the data of user table. So here let's try to run this one because we have SIS database. Then this is the username, then this is the password of 5143. Then cut this one, paste it to password, then enter. Then we are successfully log in, so we can use our project now. We can try add an update, but if you have different connection, so you need to change your if you have different username, change it to your username in your MySQL. For example, if you are not using this username in your MySQL, so change it. Then if change this Aldrin into your password to your MySQL server, password of your MySQL server, I mean. Okay, so here okay, so from this class DB connection, you can find it in this folder. Then this is the class, then this is the you can configure your database connection. If you are using Oracle, then you can search Oracle, this one. This is the keyword Oracle and Java JDBC code. Then click this one. Then this is the connection. Then for example, if you are done adding this driver, then you can change the data source, data driver, and the username and the password. So this is the driver. Copy this one, then proceed to the NetBeans, then change this driver into Oracle driver. Then the data source, change the data source here, copy this one, then paste it to this. Okay, this is the data source. Then this is the local host or your IP address. Then this is the port of your Oracle. Then this is the name of database. So let's put SIS if you are creating your database SIS. Then for example, change your password here same. For example, the default of Oracle is system, then change it to system. Then for example, password, this is for your password example Oracle. Okay, so you can run, and then if you are successfully created these tables, okay, then you can successfully run. I don't know if maybe in this data approach or encryption and decryption, they are different from SQL to MySQL and into Oracle, but copy this structured, then if some of the function are not same with the Oracle, then change it. For example, if this is auto increment, then in Oracle, if there's auto increment approach, for example, this is auto increment in Oracle, so change it, but do not change the table and the column, because if you change that, maybe you have a lot of error in query utility, because you need to change it, the column and the table and the columns. A lot of changes you need to change if you are changing the column and the column name and the table name. So here below in the methods here, which is okay, this is for example, if you are using NetBeans, then you can see the method here in navigator, then you can see, then delete the encryption, because I don't think that they are the same in MySQL and Oracle, so you need to delete this one, then this one. So that's it, the encryption, so you need to delete this one. Okay, then the encryption, delete this one, because I don't think if they are the same encryption, so you need to change it. Okay, so that's it. Let's change this one. Okay, then maybe your maybe this project will run in MySQL, so do not change the column name and password. Just copy the structure of this table, and the database name it is IS. So I hope you get this tutorial. So I'm sorry for the delay. Thank you for watching for this video. See you next video. Bye bye.